Eve, wasn't that just like the most fun day you've ever had?
The most fun day I've ever had.
I mean, really? Remember when we were playing that game, You Can? Oh, and we played Simon Says Too? That was awesome. That was so much fun. Plus, we made these gutsy robots. We have ours right here. That's probably the coolest thing I've done since like first grade, alright? I'm in like 8th grade, so that's a whole 7 years. Alright, what else did we do? Oh, you know what we did? We learned about the creation story. Yeah, that was super epic. That was like my favorite part of the whole day.
Mine too. In fact, you're some of God's amazing creations. Today we discovered an incredible truth from the Bible, God's Word. The Bible is our blueprint for life. You explored how God made you. God created you for a purpose. God gave you special talents and skills.
You know, Eve, I've got an idea.
What's your idea?
To showcase those special, individual, and unique talents we've got, I thought of a little activity, a little game that we can play before we head out today. So here's my idea. We're going to count to 3, and when I get to 3, I want you to strike a pose, do a roll, do a backflip, whatever you can think of. Use those bright, creative minds of yours. I know you've got it. And on the count of 3, take a picture, because you're going to be using those at the end of the day. Feel free to submit them. So you guys ready? Show off those maker muscles of yours on the count of 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I'm sure those are going to turn out awesome, because I know ours will. So Eve, what else you got? Spit some facts.
Alright, so God made you. Each one of you is a wonderfully creative and complex creation made by God for a very special purpose. God loves you just the way you are. I have an idea.
What's that?
We should sing some songs to celebrate.
Yes, more songs. I love songs. Let's go.
Looking out, it's a great big world. Where do I go? How do I fit in? Gotta keep this one thing on my mind. Maker of all the is with me. He is for me. I am not alone. He is with me. He is for me. I am not alone. He is with me. He is for me. And I know, I know, I know, I know, I know, I know that I was made for this. I live for this. God has a reason for my life. I'm gonna shout it out without a doubt. I was born for this, built for a purpose.
Wow, another great song. I mean, what can I say? You know, all that dancing, all those games, I'm pretty tired. I think I'm gonna head back home, Eve.
I think I am too. It's been a long day.
See you, Gutsy.
Peace out.
Finally.
Wait, we have our normal clothes back.
Eve, don't you learn anything about time travel? That's how this stuff works.
Sorry.
It's okay. Honestly, I'm just glad to be back.
The same. It was such a long day, but it was super fun.
It was a long day. And speaking of fun, I hope you guys were taking pictures all throughout the day because there's 2 places you can submit those pictures. First place you can submit it is to the St. Mark's Kids Facebook page, or
Or you can email them to the Children's Ministry team, and their address is kidschurch@stmarkscarmel.org.
that's right. Now, I'm gonna have to say goodbye to you, but come back tomorrow because what are we learning about?
How God comforts us.
God comforts us. I'm excited. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.